Understanding addiction. Key vocabulary for IELTS success. Imagine not being able to start your day without a cup of coffee. For many, this daily ritual isn't just a habit, it's an addiction. Today, we're exploring the word addiction, a term that's crucial for IELTS learners aiming for a band score of 6.5 and above. Word type. Addiction is a noun. It's the state of being addicted to something. Meaning, addiction refers to a physical or psychological need to regularly engage in an activity or use a substance, despite the potential for negative consequences. It's often associated with a loss of control and difficulty in stopping the behavior or use of the substance. Word history. The word addiction comes from the Latin word addictus, which means devoted or given over. It entered the English language in the early 1600s, initially referring to a strong inclination toward something, before evolving to its current, more specific meaning. Antonyms. Some antonyms for addiction include moderation, self-control, and abstinence. These words represent the opposite of the compulsive nature of addiction. Synonyms. Synonyms for addiction include dependence, habit, craving, and obsession. These words capture different aspects of the intense relationship between a person and the object of their addiction. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use addiction in different contexts. His addiction to social media was affecting his work performance. The documentary explored the growing problem of smartphone addiction among teenagers. She overcame her addiction to gambling through therapy and support groups. Common errors in use. A common mistake is confusing addiction with habit. While a habit can be changed relatively easily, an addiction typically requires professional help to overcome. Another error is using addiction too casually, as in I have an addiction to chocolate. Unless it's causing significant problems in your life, it's more accurate to call it a strong liking or craving. To wrap up, addiction is a powerful word that describes a complex condition. It's characterized by compulsive behavior, loss of control, and continued use or engagement despite negative consequences. Remember, in IELTS, using words like addiction accurately and in appropriate context can help demonstrate your vocabulary range and boost your score. Practice using this word in your speaking and writing tasks, and be mindful of its serious connotations.